Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Lourdes McRae channel. Hope everyone is well. Today I'm sharing you a good recipe for a chicken. This is a very easy. You cut up a young chicken when you get to the store. Choose the one in the whole chicken area section. They have it's called young chicken. This is really good for this recipe. So what you do, you cut up your chicken, and then in your baking pan, like a Pyrex, you need a glass baking pan. So you arrange your chicken, you add a chopped onion, like one onion, and a chopped carrots, a chopped celery, and you can include the liver and the gizzard, chop them like in two small pieces, and then you add a piece of sliced lemon zest and 1 cup of white wine and 1 cup of chicken stock or chicken broth, whatever you have, and any kind of white wine. If you don't have any white wine, you can get in the store, like it says white cooking wine. That's good enough. And then you just salt and pepper and cook in the oven for like an hour, 375 degrees. And this is very easy, because if you have company for the holiday, you have your food cooking in the oven and you entertain your friend, and you have a complete this is like a chicken stew, but it's cooked in the oven with vegetables. So you can add carrots and potato if you want to. And this is good to serve with rice or baked potato or mashed potato, you know. Alright? Okay, it's just a good, easy chicken dinner. And it's good for your holiday dinner. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe in my channel, Lourdes McRae. Press the button, the red button under it says subscribe, and like and share and comment. I will get back to you for your comment, and I can help you how to prepare your holiday dinner or holiday gatherings. My goal is to give you easy and fun recipe. Alright, thank you for watching. Again, it's Lulu, Lourdes McRae channel. God bless, enjoy cooking, and happy holiday. Bye for now, see you again.